Hey, I'm Fish. I'm shooting in HLG. That's HDR mode. Yeah, the color, that is. You can set it up. There are 3 different color modes. Normal, HDR, and you got it, color grade. Imagine all the cameras you own and all the different colors that they say it has. Yeah, I just call it HDR, normal, and flat. I don't know if I'm supposed to color in HLD, HGL, whatever you want to call it. This video is color normal. We're gonna let it play out. I'm gonna put some no color on it, leave it as is. And the second video is going to be the HLG, HGL, HDR, and I'm going to color it. So we're going to stop the video. This is HLG. We're going to play it. We're going to leave it as is for the first 10 seconds. Hopefully right now I added color and can remember exact words I said to say, and now put the color in, so you can get an idea of what it may look like. And right here, I'm going to add a different color effect, a LUTs, to see if you like it. The next video is going to be all flat. And yeah, we're going to do 3 things in that one as well. This is D-Log-N. You can see how nice and flat it is. It's not a colorful day to begin with. And now we're going to put a LUTs in and see if it looks good. For me, the colors I see with my eyes through the camera and my computer. Oh man, it's not 10-bit at all. My computer can only do 8-bit. Now we're going to do a second LUTs and see and compare. I wish I can put that invisible line to slide across. I just don't know how to do it. Well, I'm going to switch back to my normal video mode and continue forward. So I'm pretty happy with the mode I have here, color mode. I keep my EV value -1.0. Well, man, you may say, hey Fish, that looks dark. Not at all. It's nasty. It's not a nice day. And the sun is not out. Oh man, I should turn around the other way, because the other way you can see the plane flying, the overhead clouds, and the blue sky. It may bring you up to the sky. Oh man. Got to get off you face tracking so you can see it. There you go. Oh, how beautiful that is. I'm heading on back because I see rain happening. Oh, that is rain over there. Stop doing that. Follow me. I didn't even hit face tracking on and went to face track on. I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to just hibernate for another month. Maybe this cold weather, just get right on out of here. Right there, my fingers are pointing, that's rain. So I gotta get on out of here before the rain continues to come in. I don't love my camera. I don't hate it. I like it a lot. I just don't like how the DJI Mic 2 connects. It doesn't connect immediate. It may take 2 seconds, it may take a half a second, it may take 15 seconds. Yeah, that's normal with these cameras. That was immediate. Yeah. Well, I tell you, an action camera and a gimbal camera, oh man, there's differences. And I like my action camera because I don't have to worry about putting it down. I put it down, it works just fine. I pick it up, I could take a picture. I love the gimbal, I really do. I love the face tracking and all. But it is what it is, man. I do my vlogs, Fish, the way I do, how I see it. I hope you enjoy them. And on that note, I'm putting you away for a less windy and warm day. Have a great day and catch on many other videos to come.